Alright, another challenge lock for you. This is made by LoneWolfLockPicker, and it's called Sub-Zero. And that's a clever name because of the key. You ready for this? Look at that one. That is a nasty, nasty overset trap. So that's clearly hand filed. So I have opened it. It works. There's a little hitch, but it works. It's usually very smooth. For this lock, it's a quick set keyway, and for those I always like to use this thick Z bar from the Praxis kit, I think. So to set most of the pins, I'm just going to use a Peterson hook number 1, but then towards the end I'll have to use one of the SS Dev hooks. Alright, there we go. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Okay. Just went into a false set. Counter on 1. Okay. Okay, deeper false set, if you can see that. I'm getting more on 1. Nope. Nope, I don't think that's what I wanted. Okay, got my false set again. Okay, not 1 then. Oh, overset that. Okay, so I'm at the point where my short hook is not enough, so I'm going to use the SS Dev hook. Okay, I just said that one that the short hook wouldn't reach. Okay, that one I overset. Try for it once more. Yeah, I'm not quite on it. Let's see. Okay, set that. Let's go back to where we were. Lost my false set. I'm gonna see if I can just nudge something to get it back. Okay. There we go again. And this process will repeat itself. Okay, set that one. I just get a series of deeper and deeper false sets until hopefully it opens. Man, that overset trap really works. Very effective. So I've actually had this lock for quite a few months, and I just could never get it open until 2 days on my lunch break. And it happened. I finally opened this lock. It's not an easy lock, but I have opened it. Keep oversetting it, guys. Man, even using this, as thin as that is and as high of reach as that has, it's not enough. Oh, I may have just dropped something. Okay, here we go. The thing that probably helps me the most with opening challenge locks is the ability to let off just one click when I overset something. That's one thing I've had to work on and develop. Something I need because I feel like I'm pretty heavy-handed. Used to bullying locks open, I guess. Which here in the US, I mean, you can open most locks that way, as sad as that is. You don't need finesse, you just need to have the knowledge of how a lock works, and you can open most locks. Man, guys, I am having a hard time with this. What are we at? 6 minutes? Yeah. Lone Wolf Lock Picker, if you haven't checked him out, he makes some pretty awesome locks. It's a pretty great channel. He's pretty active in the lockpicking Facebook groups. There are 3 that I am a member of. It's actually kind of funny because there's a lot of crossover between groups. So I don't know which one he's in. Actually, I think he's in all 3 as well. But yeah, you should go check out his channel. I'll leave a link for it in the description. Come on, guys. Well, I'll give this 2 more minutes, and if I haven't opened it up, you'll never see this video. Okay, I feel like I'm close. To be fair, I felt close for the last like 3 minutes. The problem is when I reset something, number 1 drops and I get 2 clicks out of him, and 2 clicks out of 1. And I think I have to set 2 again. Okay, that is a very deep false set. That could be the deepest I've had. I'm not quite sure. Which could either mean I'm close or I've blown it. Who knows? Cannot get around that low pin. Oh, man, almost 10 minutes. That lock, this is a great lock. It's really fun. It gives you a lot of feedback. A lot of feedback, but that does not make it easy. Alright, we have a key, so I'm going to lock it up. It has a circlip. Circlip right there. Use a shim. Ooh, yeah. I already see some weirdness going on. Look at that. Beautiful. Alright. Now, I noticed in my last video that I opened the lock in 5 minutes and took the next 10 minutes to disassemble it. So I'm going to try and make this one quicker. So I'll place all of these on the tray, and then at the end I'll show you what we have and explain kind of how they interact with the lock. I'll look at the core last as well. Hopefully that'll help make my videos shorter. Beautiful. Ooh. I guess I should make sure the springs want to come out. They don't want to though. Alright, we'll worry about that later. And 3, the spring was willing to cooperate. I appreciate that. Thank you, number 6. Okay. 12 minutes. See if I can grab these springs without ruining them. There's number 1. There's number 2. So we're just missing number 5. There we go. Okay. The ones that were, well, except for 1. Anyway, I'll explain that in a little bit. Okay. No modifications up here. In the core, we have threading in 1, 3, 4, and 6. And that lines up with, there we go. So these key pins have all been modified. Look at that guy. So that was the overset trap. So if you even nudge that just a little bit, you could easily overset that. That was number 3. Look how close that is. So it'd be really easy to have it hooked on that little ledge at the end. Beautiful work. Serrations. Look at that guy. That is really nice. For drivers, he was oriented like that. Ugh. There we go. But there are the 2 clicks that I had setting him. That's why I had such a beautiful, deep false set. And he had this little guy here. He has a lip on him, but I don't know if that lip's enough to take effect when they keep in so long. Beautiful serrated pin. That one's really nice. Look how thin that waist is up there. Beautiful. And this last one, look at that. That's a beauty. So, oh, and the springs. Copper, double brass, I think. Steel, double steel, and copper. You guys have to let me know if... So I haven't used this orange pinning tray in a while because I feel like with my lighting it kind of makes a weird glowy effect, but I'm hoping to get better light soon. But anyway guys, that was Sub-Zero, pinned up by Lone Wolf Lock Picking. You should check them out. And if you have any questions, leave them below. If you want to trade locks, let me know. And thank you for watching.